Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I'm doing my laundry. I worked from 6 o'clock this morning. Yeah, I did breakfast. It is now 3:20. So last night we go home already 12 o'clock. I sleep maybe 12:30. Yeah, this one is coming from Inigo. He gave it to me in the workplace. If you remember this one is coming from John and Charlene. Together with this. This one is coming from Divina and Riley. They gave it to me last night in the birthday party of Inigo and Earl. Yeah, because they are thinking that it was also my birthday last month. Yeah, and they said they missed that my birthday. So yeah, they give me that spam and another box of milk. And that milk is now in my fridge in the van. And actually, Inigo gave us some of the leftover. Yeah, this one. Very Filipino this way. This is what I am going to eat. This lechon paksiw. And if I'm not mistaken, this one is chicken adobo. Yeah, and I'll eat it tomorrow. Yeah, it looks very delicious. Yeah, I finished the food. Delicious. Still early, but I'm very sleepy. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, so I have been sitting here for maybe 30 minutes already, coming from work. And as usual, I'm going to do my routine to do some chin-up pull-ups over there. Oh, there are some people. I was not aware. And actually, it is very windy outside. I'm not sure if it's cold. I am not feeling the cold because yeah, you see, I'm just on t-shirt and shorts. Oh, let me show you the milk that Riley and Divina gave me. Yeah, a lot of milk. So this full cream milk is for drinking because it comes with this straw. They said the idea for giving me this milk is for my coffee. But actually, I don't put any more milk in the coffee. So I will be just drinking it as it is. This is actually 1 box of milk. Yeah, I still have the box. Yeah, this one. This is made in Australia from 100% Australian ingredients. Devondale. Thank you, Divina. Thank you, Riley. Okay, we'll go outside. Let's see how cold it is outside. You can see it's very windy. Oh, it's not too cold. Just windy. Okay, that's it. I am going home now. I am hungry. And I am going to eat the food that Inigo cooked on his birthday. Oh wait, let me show you this guy. Yeah, he's doing that. Very nice. I actually did this laundry last night, but didn't able to fold. And so I just put it here just this morning before going to work. Yeah, and so I'm going to organize it now. The socks, I usually put it together like this. The underwear as it is. But I am also washing now my uniform. There's the white, and these are the trouser and apron. Yeah. And yeah, it's already 4 o'clock. I just cooked the rice. I still don't have microwave. This one is still the broken one. So this one I'm just going to reheat it again in the here. It's still early. Let's open this so that you can see this. This one is the leftover rice. It's cold and hard, but because I don't waste food, yeah, I'm going to eat it. Still good. This chicken adobo is very soft, and this is my proper meal. I mean, every day when I am working, I eat only once. Yeah, usually in the morning before leaving the house. Yeah, I don't eat. I actually make a coffee and drink it a little bit. And then at work, I eat some bread, like a muffin or croissant. But I was never get hungry at work. And then after that, after 2 o'clock, just now I'm going to eat. Usually like that if I am working. But sometimes in the night, like maybe 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I sometimes eat another rice meal. Yeah, this chicken adobo is delicious. Thank you, Inigo, for this Philippine food experience. Yo, good morning, guys. It is already 8:23, and yeah, I closed the window because yeah, the sun has a reflection on the glass windows of the neighbor, and so it's directly to my eyes, and it's blinding. Very nice weather today. I was actually eating this kind of muffin cake. Yeah, this is also coming from the birthday party. Divina and Riley bring this to the party, and yeah, they give me some to bring home. But it's too sweet. And I'm going to prepare a meal, and this is what I am going to make. Yeah, this udon noodles. But you know, I actually still have this sinigang. Yeah, but I don't think this one is still good. Yeah, this salmon. Yeah, if you remember, I cooked it maybe 5 days or 1 week already. Didn't able to eat it because of the birthday party of Inigo. Yeah, so this one is wasted. Cherish the life we live. Cherish the love. Cherish the life. Cherish the love. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cherish the love we have. For as long as we both shall live. Cherish the love. Cherish the love. Cherish the love. Oh, oh, oh. The world has changing. Nothing stays the same. Just a time. The world that we live in, we meant to be seen. It is now 10:20, and yeah, we are going out. I am ready. We are going down. We're going to have a quick look in the marine area. There is this truck parked next to me, and there is a car camper on the other side. The weather is nice today, really nice. Yeah, blue sky. There's no even a single clouds. All blue. Yeah, and there are some people fishing down there. Let me show you. Oh, their family. Actually a kid and the father. Nice. I'm going to buy something from that Dolphin Watch Cafe. Probably fish and chips. I ordered chips and calamari, and it's $16.90. No soft drinks. Yeah, I found that to be expensive, but it's okay. There are some kids there, they are fishing, and some tourists in here just relaxing. And if you look at that, if you can see that there's this three big buses basically carrying tourists. You know, most of the tourists are actually if I'm not mistaken, they are Chinese mostly. Yeah, in the bus. Most of the European tourists are usually traveling by car or by themselves, not with a group. Okay, I got this calamari and chips. Actually, it is not expensive. Looking at this, it is yeah, reasonable, because the calamari is actually cut big pieces or crumbed. big pieces, so it's good. Nice to cook. Oh, the dressing is actually good too.
Ano ka pala dito eh, no? Lagi ka na dito.
Oh, dito ba ako tumatambay pag ano? Oh, look at that. Yeah, there are two ferries that are full of tourists. Really nice. Yeah, one just arrived and one is about to go to the sea. I basically went there because I met a Filipino couple. Yeah, Mr. Mac and Mrs. Cecil. Yeah, and they have two granddaughter, and they are not look Filipino. They are look Australian. And another thing, I saw the couple that I always see whenever I'm on my way. Yeah, on my bike when I'm going or coming from work. Nice. And they asked me, haven't seen you for a long time, they said. I said, because I'm usually driving my van. I said like that.